Be honest for a second. When was the last time you sat down, opened a book, and actually finished a chapter without touching your phone? If you can't remember, you aren't alone. Most people today feel like their brains are itching when they try to read. You read one sentence, then you check a notification. You read another sentence, and suddenly you're thinking about lunch. You might think, I'm just not a reader, or I'm too busy, but that's a lie. You aren't busy, and you aren't lazy. Your brain has actually been rewired to reject books. Let's talk about why. Think of your brain like a hungry pet. When you scroll through TikTok or play a video game, you are feeding your brain candy. It tastes good, it's fast, and it gives you a quick burst of excitement. This is called dopamine. It's the reward chemical. Modern apps are designed to give you this candy every 5 seconds. Now, think of a book. A book isn't candy. A book is like a healthy meal. It's good for you, but it takes time to chew. It takes time to digest. If you have been eating candy all day, a plate of broccoli looks boring. That is the hidden psychology. It's not that you hate reading, it's that your brain is addicted to speed. You have trained yourself to get bored if nothing explodes or changes every 10 seconds. Why does this matter? Who cares if we don't read? Here is the scary part. When you stop reading, you lose the ability to focus deeply. Reading a book is a workout for your focus muscles. You have to imagine the characters.
You have to remember the plot. You have to sit in silence. When you stop doing that, your focus muscles get weak. This is why so many people feel anxious today. We have forgotten how to be alone with our own thoughts. People who never read often struggle to solve hard problems because they want the answer right now. But real life doesn't work like a 15-second video. Real life is slow. So how do we fix our popcorn brains? You don't need to read a giant history book today. You just need to retrain your focus. Step 1. The phone jail. You cannot read if your phone is in the room. It is impossible. Put it in a drawer in another room. The fear of missing out will disappear after a few minutes. Step 2. The 2-page rule. Don't try to read for an hour. Just commit to reading 2 pages. Anyone can read 2 pages. Usually, once you start, you won't want to stop. But if you do, that's okay. Step 3. Read what is fun. Don't read what you should read. Read cool stuff. Read sci-fi. Read mysteries. Read comics. If it's boring, put it down and pick another one. Reading is like a cheat code for life. It lets you steal the smartest ideas from the smartest people who ever lived. Don't let your phone steal your ability to focus. Tonight, try it. Put the phone in the other room. Open a book. Read just 2 pages. Your brain might complain at first, but eventually it will thank you. Thanks for watching. Let's get better together.